Okay, folks, we are doing translations, and all a translation is a slide. You're not changing the shape, you're not changing the way it looks, you're just picking it up like this and sliding it around on a coordinate grid. That's how you do up, left, right, side to side, whatever. It's a slide. So like that formula we were kind of talking about yesterday, it's x, y, and then it would transform to x plus h, y plus k. And all you need to remember is h just represents a horizontal shift, so like left to right. And k represents a vertical shift, so up and down. It'll make sense once we see an example here. All we're doing is sliding our figure around the coordinate grid. I think this is like a 5th grade standard. Are these transformations? So you guys might have seen this a long time ago.
We saw this last
Some of us saw it last year. Everyone has a tough year last
year.
year. Yeah. So not everyone saw this last year. I know my elder ones didn't see this last year. I can tell you that. So.
No, we skipped like
Yeah, we skipped a lot last year. We had to. That's just the way it was.
and in 7th grade.
It's been a weird couple years, hasn't it? Are we okay, folks? Okay. Oof, this is gross. Okay, so we're gonna start with rectangle QRST. So everyone, let's take a minute and let's plot those 4 points, and then we can talk about how we're gonna move it. So start with your pre-image QRST. Make sure you label it. Makes your life easier if you know what you're talking about. Rectangle QRST. Rectangle. I say triangle, then rectangle.
No, I said triangle.
That's why I was like, maybe I said it. Okay. So once you get here, you look at your little key up here, your little road map, right? This is your little road map. Now x plus 5, so remember x is left to right. And if I'm adding 5, I'm going to the right. So x plus 5 means right 5. I'm going to write this in words because it helps my brain. And then y plus 7 is your vertical, so up or down. And since I'm adding 7, it's going to go up 7. So now your job is to move each of your vertices right 5 boxes, up 7. And that's where you end up. So I'm going to take Q, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my new home for Q by Q prime. So now you're going to do that for all your other points. You're going to go right 5, up 7. Now you can label your ordered pairs. folks, there's another trick to this one too. What's -6 plus 5? -1. And what's 7 plus -1? 6. So you could find your order pairs that way too. Let's look at R. What's -3 plus 5? 2. And then what's 1 plus 7? Great. So that's another way you could find your order pairs if you didn't want to count the boxes. You could just add or subtract your order pairs. Does that part make sense? Okay. Are you ready to do the next one? All right. Graph that triangle CDE. 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 Okay, now let's look at our road map. X minus 3, what does that mean? What direction? Nope. For X, it's left or right. If I'm minusing 3, what way am I going? So we're going to go left 3. Y plus 8, what does that mean? Up or down? Up 8. All right. Move all your points. Left 3, up 8. Is this one okay, folks? And again, you could check to see if you did it right by plugging in your ordered pairs. If we try to do C together, what's 2 minus 3? -1. -1 plus 8, 7, so it works out. That's how you can check yourself. All right, the next one, they give us our image and pre-image, and they want us to write the rule. They want us to write the rule on this one. So let's see here. So we're going to have X, Y. Now we got to fill in the next part. Okay, so let's figure this out. We'll call this one figure A, and this one figure B. Which is the one I start with? How do you know? Yeah, we don't have the primes, right? So I know I'm starting with A, and I have to get to B. Should we focus in on our F's? How do we go from F to F prime? How many boxes over? How many boxes up? X plus 7? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agreed. What about our Y's?
Plus 4.
1, 2. That's it. Bingo. Done. That was easy, wasn't it? That's what it wanted. Okay, the last one on here is kind of a doozy. It's a bit of a doozy. We're doing 2 different things. So you guys get a head start and graph the original image of GHI, triangle GHI. very important that you label this one. Are we all okay with this? Our pre-image? So now we need to translate it. X plus 7, y minus 5. So what does x plus 7 mean? Right 7, y minus 5.
Down 5.
All right, let's do that. Right 7, down 5. All right, here we go. This would be G prime, or your primes. Are you matching on that one?
Yes.
Okay. And then the last thing is a review from yesterday. We want to reflect over the line y equals -3. Is y equals -3 horizontal or vertical? Horizontal, right? So go down to -3 on the y-axis. Just the new one. Just that blue one. Now we want to reflect over that purple line. Just the new one, our prime. So if you remember right, we just count away from that line. And how you label this one is double prime. Double prime, so 2 little apostrophes. H double prime.
So then it's asking for the coordinates of the first one?
No, that's a typo. You should do double prime. It should say double prime there.
Alright.
Yep, so now list our new ordered pairs. You guys check my work and see if we got the same thing. Are you okay? There's a lot to go wrong on these ones if you're just counting. Beautiful. Look at us. Transformation machines.